Here I'm showing you that one of the tasks that assigned from my client to set up one user as a broker role. First of all, I define it as a broker, and we can see it here on our user from sidebar, add new user. So you can select there user role as a broker. So the client requirement was all that user who enrolled as a broker will see prices on 10% off for all the products. So first of all, I'm really too much disagree and too much research is on YouTube and blah blah. After discussing with ChatGPT too many questions and I put too many questions to ChatGPT, and each and everything I'm talking with ChatGPT like it is not this is not a software. I'm talking like that I'm chatting with my friend, and he told me all the solutions. After all my efforts, first at last I'm copy the class of the prices here for which the client want to show 10% of prices to enroll users as a broker. And then I request to ChatGPT, here is class for commerce price amount. I want to apply 10% off on all products who is under the class with specific user role broker. After this, ChatGPT read my question, and it find out some best solution for me, and give me a nice way code, and also tell me where I have to put this code for successfully integration for this go to my website. Okay, so it recommend me that I have to put this code in some header file or footer file in tag of script tag. And then I'm going to appearance and theme file editor, and there I'm looking for footer.php and header.php. In header.php below here, first of all I put my comment that this code is from some Site developer, and script code, and here in script tag I paste all that code that I was copied from the ChatGPT. And after updating this file, you can see here this side is the administrator side, but I'm put that role for all the brokers who can get 10% off. Of course, here this administrator, so no any discount here, and original price is showing here, but here I'm logging as a broker. uh, as you can see here, $11, $36, $45, and similarly on administrator page $13, $40, and $50. That is the original price. So after this, the purpose of creating this video, that talking with ChatGPT, like this is your he's I'm saying that he's my friend, and this is my friend, and I'm talking like I requesting to my friend for all my issues, and this was the very best experience for the first time with ChatGPT. Okay, thank you, bye.